together.
You look so sad this morning. I checked on you last night.
Yeah, I woke up a lot.
You were still awake.
Something scary.
I brought my toys, I shared my smile. I waited there for quite a while.
Hi, good morning.
To call my name, the games went on. I stayed the same.
Bimo,
Then
what
teacher
happened?
sat and held my hand. She
Maybe we could play.
I saw something. It was really scary.
Really? Bimo's seen something like something strange.
What does he see?
We should tell the teacher.
I saw something. It was really scary. Maybe you need a little break. Some playtime might help you feel better. Let's go play outside. It'll be fun.
Thanks. Friends, okay.
This is ridiculous.
Come on. Let's all go together.
What should we play?
I love you so much. You're my very best.